Welcome this video titled The Advantages of Above Ground Fiberglass Pool, a comprehensive overview. Introducing Above Group Pool have long been a popular choice of homeowner sleep affordable and or style other of recreation water activities among the various material used in the construction of their pool fiberglass have growing signification traction of its durability, low maintenance requirement, and aesthetic appeal. We will explore the economic advantage of above ground fiber pool shaft light on way then have become a profess other of many families installing easy and space. One of the most apparent features of upper ground fiberglass pool it then relatively quick and so forward installing process. Unlike tranquility in ground pool, which can take week like our ground fiberglass pool can often be installed and a master of day. The profile natural of fiberglass pool shape elements The need of time, consent, reactive, and tranquil make theme an active choice of homeowner. Look of a switch and husky free pool install. Fiberglass is renew of stream and link make it an excellent material for pool construction. Our pool fiberglass are not significant to rest